Hey guys, how's it going? Today, we're going to give you an unboxing of the 70mm Dashcam Lite 2. And this is going to be a full in-depth look at the Lite 2. Show you some of the features and give you a test at the video quality. So, as you see, this is a very, very nice box. High quality. GPS mount is optional. And it does record in 1080p. Very nice product, by the way. It looks very nice in the pictures, and we'll test that in person. You have to peel this plastic to get it off. Very hard. I hate plastic like this. It's very challenging to get off. I hate this, man. I don't know why I do it, but they do. And then, could just because I'm filming. It's always hard to get this stuff out. They're always stubborn, these packaging things. And this is the packaging. Very high quality, very nice illustration to it. Now, the box is actually kind of like Apple style. You just pull it up, and the product is then presented. You get a manual and stuff. User manual. This was an installing manual. This is the installing thing. Don't know if we're gonna need it, but we'll see. And here is the camera itself. 70mm Dashcam Lite 2. It does have a uniquely high quality feel to it. It's plastic, but still very nice. You have to peel this off, which reveals the screen. So, very nice. You have a light right here. You do get the model number right around here. The stupid camera doesn't want to focus for some reason. That's in cinematic mode, that's why it's very blurry. So, further down in the packaging, you do get a wire actually, and all of your extra tools like your mount right over here. Here is the mount. I'm assuming it just goes on in a specific way. I'm assuming you just mount it like this or something. It's a sticky. Frame, I don't know about that, but it's Chinese. You have to pull it down. It's very interesting. And that just snaps on like that. Odd method. I don't know how this even mounts. It's very weird. You have to pull it out. It's an extremely odd method. So, very interesting process. The mount kind of like stays on there. Here's your frame sticky mount. Now to mount it, you have to mount it in a very odd location. It's a really weird process. You have to find somewhere on your windshield to do so. Let me just, okay. I suck at product reviews. Excuse me if this review isn't the best review in the world, but it's kind of blurry because I'm in cinematic mode. Just find a spot to mount it. And just keep it like that. There, boom, you just mounted it. And you have face the camera somewhere. And this is where the cable is. Kind of hard to open for some reason. I don't know why they make products like this. It's so hard to open. There we go. American products suck, man. And Chinese, these products suck. There we go. This stupid rubber band doesn't want to get out. This stupid rubber band doesn't want to get out. Oh, come on. Get out, man. Get out. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh man, that's unnecessarily hard. And I can't seem to find the car charger unit anywhere. Could this be my mistake, or is it just hidden under here? Okay. I better hide this part of the charger. Stupid, I know. And you just plug it in. You get 2 USB ports. Plug it into your 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. Hide the wiring under your car. Not going to show that process. And then you're done. Usually takes about 5 minutes to hide the wires. It sometimes can be a little bit tricky, but you can do a better installation in more time. Perfect. There. And I just hide it under the formats. And plug it in. It kind of barely fits a Prius, so yeah. And so, once you're done with that, grab your SD card. Like this. Maximum is 128 gigabytes. Oh, that's kind of freaking finicky. Focus. It only goes in one way. We don't know what way that is. But the numbers facing upside down and being pointed towards this way, we could just go ahead and click it right in. Oh, this is difficult for some reason. Come on in. There's no hesitation. There we go. This, you do have a GPS out if you want to use that. It is optional. Now, let's go ahead and start the car. So the moment you start the car, the dash cam should spring to life. Fires up just like that. And this is gonna be tough to set up. Oh, yeah, this button. Push these buttons. Okay, that's what the indicator means. Oh man, this is hard to stabilize. Have a screen on/off button. Ooh. And you set the time. The dash cam also has Wi-Fi, so you move the camera around. Pretty quick accuracy, not gonna lie. And reflections. Very good. Turning off and on my DRLs. Although the viewing quality isn't the best from the view, but it isn't terrible. So, now let's grab some driving footage. While the quality isn't the best among dash cams, it is still acceptable, and it will still help you capture an accident and hopefully even prove that you weren't at fault in a crash. This product can still save you in the event something happens, and it's way better than most of those cheap dash cams that have super low quality, and I think that's where the 70mm really hits the sweet spot in terms of value. As you can see here, approaching the tunnel, it'll automatically adjust to night vision mode, which makes the quality look better in darker areas. Hopping into nighttime footage, this is kind of like evening night. As you can see, the roads are clear, but signs are still somewhat readable, like they're somewhat clear. And no dash cam can capture moving license plates at night, but as you see, you can see the beautiful sky, and it actually doesn't look too bad. If you download footage on the phone, that's where the quality really shines. But if you download it on the computer, it doesn't look good at all, which is just another disadvantage of downloading stuff on the computer. And I really wish that they would stop this. Looking at files and downloading footage is very easy. Downloading a 1-minute file takes about 1 minute, which is very good for a dash cam with Wi-Fi. Some dash cams take up to 5 minutes or 10 or even longer, which is why I think it's a very good thing to have, and the Wi-Fi is a really great feature for the price. The dash cam looks very stealthy in the windshield, but one thing that I do not like is that gold piece really takes away the stealth factor about this dash cam. And I do like the wedge shape as well. This dash cam is very good for the money and what you get. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.